We'll guide you through how to add stroke outside in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your desktop's Windows Start menu and use the taskbar search function to locate Google Chrome. Launch the Google Chrome browser application and wait until it loads completely. Next, type Figma into the search bar and navigate to the official Figma website. Before continuing, confirm that your Figma account is already logged in so you can access all available design features and projects. For this tutorial, create a new project by clicking the plus design button from a dashboard. To create an outside stroke in Figma, start by selecting the rectangle tool from a toolbar. Move your cursor onto the canvas and draw a shape by clicking, holding, and dragging until it reaches your preferred size. Release the mouse button to complete the shape. With the rectangle selected, move your cursor to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. This panel contains all the settings used to customize the appearance of the selected object. Locate the Stroke section and click it to add a border to the rectangle. Once the stroke has been enabled, choose a color that matches your design requirements. Click the Stroke Color Swatch to open the color picker, then select any color you prefer. After setting the color, increase the stroke weight value to make the border more visible. You can type a specific number directly into the weight field or drag the value until the border reaches the desired thickness. As you increase the weight, the stroke will become more prominent around the shape. Next, locate the position setting within the stroke section. This option determines where the stroke is placed relative to the edge of the object. Click on the Position menu to reveal the available options. Typically, the choices include center, inside, and outside. Select the outside option from a list. As soon as you choose this setting, the stroke will move entirely outside the edges of the rectangle.